Yo, hello guys, welcome once again to Forex Success. Yo, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can trade synthetic indices, as you can see right here, from volatility down to crash 500 index on my screen. I'm gonna show you how you can trade them and make money. Yeah, for sure. So stick with me in this video, watch this video attentively while I take you through trading synthetic indices. So let's start with first 10 and then I will show you a very great strategy to trade it and make money, guys. Make money. So watch this video from the start. I'm not going to say anything else. All I will say is don't skip any part of this video for sure. Okay, so how do you trade synthetic indices? By the way, make sure you hit the red subscribe button so you'll be notified when we drop new strategies. This is Forex Success. So we just set two indicators to give me more understanding on what movement the market is going to make. So I will just need a moving average which I will set on period 40, shift 0. The method simple, as you can see. Method simple, apply to close. The style 2 pixels, you take a color red and then you click done. This is a moving average. A moving average can show you dynamic support and resistance level. The moving average, it serves as a dynamic support and resistance level. It is a very useful indicator. For those of you who says that indicators doesn't work, I'm not going to argue with you, but for the fact that it works for me and it works for many other people, we cannot say it works. Yeah, it works. Nothing is 100%. Even the price action, it's also not 100%. That's true. So I'm not advising that you shouldn't learn price action. It's very good. Yeah, so you use whatever works for you. That's what I believe on. The next indicator we'll need is a MACD. Guys, please watch this strategy because you're going to learn from this. It's MACD. I will show you how easy trading can be. So with the MACD, you set your fast EMA on 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. Apply to close. The main 2 pixel, the signal 2 pixel, you can see the color on my screen, blue. Then the signal, you can use red. You're done, just like this on my screen. This is what you need on the indicators. So now I'm up here right now. So now that the indicators are on your screen, what should you do with these indicators? You observe these two indicators. They both have different role to play right now. So when should you place a buy? You place a buy when you find out that this red moving average crosses below the chart and the MACD is above the 0 level. You place a buy just like this point, and then you have all this market to eat. When you place a buy, you place your stop loss below the moving average. You see this, guys? You place your stop loss below this moving average for a buy. You see that? So how do you place a sell with this strategy? This is also a very nice point. When the moving average cross above the chart and the MACD goes below the 0 level, you place a sell. Guys, if you follow strategies, I don't know why you're still losing. I don't really know why. Guys, as you can see, this is volatility 10 index on the daily time frame. Remember, I told you guys that it's gonna sell. We started from this point and then it sold to this point, went back for a retest and then went highly to the downside. So it's going back for a retest. I'm seeing this as the resistance level that's going to push this market back to the downside, because this moving average has crossed above and the MACD is already at below the 0 level. So we are expecting a heavy downtrend for volatility 10 index. Yeah, that's what we're expecting on this market. So you can add this market to your watch list so that you can also take advantage of it and make money. Yeah, so check this out. From the weekly time frame, you find out that it's about to start a downtrend. You can see it's about to start a downtrend from here, but that's not the essence of this video. So with this strategy, guys, you can trade both long-term and short-term time frame. So like I said, if you want to trade, just go starting from the 5-minute time frame observe an intersection between the moving average and the chart, and observe the MACD whether it is above or below the zero level to get a buy or sell signal. So if you check any, before you check down from the volatility 10 down to the crash 500 index, you should be able to see a perfect entry that you're going to make money. As simple as that. So if you check my previous video, you'll see the trading plan which I designed, and it's really working, guys. So if you're the type who is using the trading plan, because it's not a compulsory thing, you can just fund another account and just follow that trading plan. Yeah, just create another account and follow the trading plan, and then see how different things are going to be this month with you on trading. So you can do that. Just use a strategy. For example, you're observing the market and you see something like this, you place a buy for volatility 100 index and set a stop loss below this level. So you are waiting for this market to keep on buying. It keeps on buying. The only reason why you will close trade is when you see the moving average cross again above the chart. That means a sell. So what you will do, you will close the trade. Yeah, so you can close the trade right there. You see another one again to the upside. That's how it works. Even on step index, I love step index a lot. I like trading step index. Look at it. Step index is selling right now. With this strategy, you can make real money right here. Across the moving average has crossed above the chart, which indicates a sell. Seeing this from the 1 hour time frame, you can see the market is selling. You see that, guys? 5 minutes time frame crossed above, and the 1 hour time frame it's about to cross, do the same intersection. You can see that, guys. So we're expecting step index to fall back to the downside for sure. You see that, guys? Step index is selling. So what I can simply do right here, I'm gonna wait for step index to go for any retest to the upside. Yeah, can wait for you to go to any retest before I will place a sell for step index. But nevertheless, I can simply just place open a single position on step index to sell, because I can see a very heavy sell right here, whereby my stop loss will be above this moving average. It is as simple as that. So I can freely leave my trade there to be running while I grab a cup of coffee and take care of myself. And you leave the trade to do the work for you, not you standing giving yourself some heartache watching the market go against you. It is wrong. Seriously, it is not a very good trading habit. Yeah, you need to learn how to free your mind when trading. And how can you free your mind when trading? You trade with funds that you can afford to lose. Trade with small lot size, not big lot size that you cannot hold on to. That is it. You trade according to your size. A lot of you guys trade trying to flip $10, about $100 to $1,000 in one day. I'm not saying it's wrong, but it's risky. If you can afford to lose it, fine. But if you want to be consistent, just go onto a trading plan like making 10% daily, 10% daily, consistently, guys. I mean, okay, let me explain this to you. Every one of us come to trade, wake up in a new day with a new mind to trade. And majorities, guys, our first trade for the day is usually on profit. It is when we continue trading that day that we end up losing everything we've already made. I believe majority of us know this thing is true, that you make profit first, then you lose everything. So take for instance, you stop trading after making those profits. Then you go and you come the next day with a new mind again, you come make some profit, and then you stop trading. Just a 10% a day, every day, consistently is better than making it once and losing everything, because you will give up on trading. It will make you give up. But when you keep on getting it consistently, it will encourage you to want to learn more and want to go deeper trading. That is just the thing behind it. Exactly, guys, that is just how it is. So let's check out another indices. Let's check out crash 1000 needed. So that's how you can engage on a very profiting trading plan, guys, because it will really help you. Of course it will help you. So the next day you're coming again with a new mind. The thing behind it is that if you continue trading that day, and let's say you win the first trade, the second trade, the third trade, and you continue trading the success will get into your head and make you feel like you can't lose. And then you see yourself, you see a trade losing, you feel like it's gonna go back, it's gonna go back. Then at the end of the day, you end up blowing your account. Or sometimes I'm saying this based on experience. Yeah, sometimes you might close the trade on loss, and then immediately the trade will start going according to your direction, and you'll be like, whoa, Adibin, I knew this, I shouldn't have closed this trade. So you open another position again and it's going against you. You'll be like, no, it's gonna come back, so I'm not gonna close this. And then at the end of the day, it end up blowing your account. So guys, trading is not just about having a good strategy. You need to be disciplined, you need to have a plan. Trade with psychology, guys. You need to understand principles behind trading. It's not just being able to trade, it's not just a strategy. I'm telling you this, guys. Strategies are not enough if you don't add principles to it. Sincerely, guys, you need to trade with lot sizes that you can afford. Not It's better to make it little consistently than big and lose them so fast. For real, guys, that's how you won't give up on trading. So this is, I hope you guys understand this strategy. Let me just explain it on crash 1000 index. For crash 1000 index, the same principle, the same rules. The moving average cross above the chart and the MACD below the zero level, it indicates a sell. As you can see, it says the strategy has a stop loss. So like this point, this is a very nice time for me to buy because I can see the moving average crossing below the chart, which indicates a buy, and the MACD above the zero level. So before I place such trade, I will just quickly check out the 5-minute time frame as well, but I can see something different right here from the 5-minute, but the 15-minute is giving me a signal. So I will just go on higher time frame and see how the market is going. Seeing this right now is the market might still sell. So this trade is not actually something I feel like entering because it's not that perfect enough for me. But if I see the 4-hour time frame, I can see a candlestick which indicates a reversal right here. So if I'm gonna buy this trade, buy crash 1000, which means I'm gonna be holding it for long, which I don't wanna do. But for the short time frame, these are risks you guys can avoid with your psychology. At least you can see the strategy from the 15-minute time frame is giving me a buy, but the 5-minute time frame, it's giving me a sell right here. You can see. So I will just simply avoid such trade. There are a lot of them to trade. You can see step index is on profit. You see that, guys? So the trade actually moved according to our strategy. You see, it's following the strategy, the rules of the strategy. It's gonna sell. Meanwhile, I know my stop loss is above the moving average. As simple as that, guys. A lot of you might get into this market above this point immediately as it crossed above. So it depends. You can make money anyway. This is Forex Success, guys. We will teach you strategies to make money. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Our Telegram group, the link is at the description below. Follow it up, guys. And if you want to create an account on Deriv, the link is at the description below and also at the comment section. Click on the link and create an account to start trading, guys. Thank you for watching. We love you, guys. For real, we love you and we want to see improvement in you.